everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today's story is going to be based on how to cut an off-shoulder kaftan with a smoking rubber at the band using this net fabric of 4 yards. So folding this into 4 already, you can see this is into 2 and into 4. So folding it like this into 4. Then I'm going to start with the length. I'm using the length is 56 and I'm using band for the taping of the shoulder. I'm using 3 inches band for the up shoulder. So now I'm going to start with the roundness of the shoulder. So the roundness of the shoulder here, I'm using 45. So 45 divided by 4 give us 11 and some inches. That will give us 11.2 inches. So this is 11.2 inches. So after that, from the shoulder now I'm going to measure the length of the sleeve. So the length of the sleeve here, I'm using 23. So putting my staple here, then I'm slanting it to measure 23. It's not a straight line, it's a slant line. So like this to this particular space place here. So this is what I'm cutting. So now like I said earlier, I said there is a smoking rubber here, so I'm going to make use of 10 inches. So after that, I'll measure my armhole here. I'm using 10 for the armhole. So for my bust here, I'm using 12. That gives us 48 with 2 inches allowance. So from here now, I'm going to make a line like this. Then I will now go like that. Then I said earlier that the length of this gown is 56 and a half. So taking 3 inches up, then you measure. Then I'll measure my 56. So this is 56. So this is 56 and a half with the same allowance. It was 56 and a half. So after that, I'm going to start with the cutting. Then I'm going to slant it. I don't want it to be straight. So this is how it's going to be. then it remains the taping. So I'm using this particular one for the taping. The taping of the band at the shoulder side. So folding this into two. This is 3 inches, so this is going to be my seam allowance. And see, this is 3.5 inches, so I'm using this half inches for the seam allowance. Then the remaining 3 will be for the band that is going to stay up here. You can see it. So now this is where I'm going to put my smoking rubber, like this, like leaving some inches like this, then starting from here to put this smoking rubber at the sleeve mouth here. So after that, I'm going to tape this. I'm going to tape this around the shoulder for the up shoulder. So let me open it for you to see. So this is the up shoulder, that's the sleeve, and this is the body. So when you want to start sewing it, you can start from the joining of the sleeve first. Join this place together. Then you join this particular place you join this place as well together. Then you join the shape. The same thing applicable to the other side. Then you tape the beneath. Then you take your taping, your 3 inches taping, then you use it to tape the shoulder round. You take it around the shoulder. That's how it's going to be, so that it will be balanced at the shoulder side. So thank you. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to it so that you'll be getting the latest videos on my channel. And please don't forget to share and like. Welcome back. Here is the finished work so far. You can see the sleeve that I was trying to tell you that it's going to have a smoking rubber at the edge. You can see it. I'll put that. So this is the sleeve and this is the body, and this is the up shoulder with 2 inches with 3 inches taping. Don't mind it. It's not my size, for my client. That's why I just wait for you to see the finishing. So you can see it. Please, I'm begging you, subscribe to my channel. It's very, very important to make my work go more than this. Please, I beg of you. And God will also reward you. Thank you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Bye.